Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. Hey, one to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Louis LB representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb. It's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, people, in today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have Medikk's mom protesting in the streets of Jamaica for the safe return of her daughter, people. And if you're not too familiar with Medikk, people, Medikk is an upcoming dancehall artist who went on a video shoot allegedly and appeared missing, people, for about a month now, people. She hasn't returned home. Her mom is definitely devastated, crying in the media. She's definitely saying she's getting no help from friends. No one is coming out and speaking the truth what is taking place, people. But if you remember clearly, a few weeks ago, a popular social media YouTube channel, Politics Watch, gave the mom a hint of the real reason why her daughter is missing. And people, to be honest, I'm not gonna say that show is 99.9% right, but most of the time he is, people. You know, that guy Sir P seems to know what's going on in the streets, people, and they were saying that White Knight is responsible for the missing case of Medikk. Now, people, I want you to watch this clip as the mom protests, people, and we'll comment afterwards.
Gladys to God say yes, it's Queen representing for dancehall bam bam bam. Dancehall bam bam, we are bam them all crazy, never lazy. Up like heaven, my Gladys to God, the Queen is here.
Jamaica, I am desperate. I am desperate. I'm seeking you to come on board with me. I need the nation. Mighty God, I need help. I need help. I'm looking to you.
So when you reach out to the police, you contacted them yourself. No response from them?
I'm not, nothing. I'm not hearing anything. Nothing, I'm not hearing anything. Nothing to bring comfort. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm wondering, where do we live? Is this Jamaica? This is not a good Jamaica for us. I work so hard. Let me tell you something. I'm going to share my story with Jamaican because they need to know where I am coming from. I got pregnant at 16 years old. I have my 3 daughters who are like sisters. Stephanie, I suffered with Stephanie. I didn't have food to eat. I am not from Westmoreland, you know. But I went to Westmoreland with my friend. And while I was there and I got pregnant, I have no one. I have to do any type of work. Not meaning to go and sell myself, because guess what? I grew up in church, so that is out of it. I'm not hearing nothing at all from her friends. From the team. And nothing at all. I don't even know who they are. I don't know them.
And they haven't reached out to you?
I don't know them. I'm begging you. Nationwide. Church is all over. Only you I have right now to stand in the gap with me. I am begging you, church, all over, to come. I need help. Poor Stephanie missing. And she called me. She said, Mom, pray for me. I said, Steph, you go and pray. Learn to pray for yourself now. I've been praying for you too long. But still, I'm going to pray for you. And I encourage her from my home to church. And I said, Steph, you need to pack your things and come down. Where's Stephanie living? There's a greater dwelling for her there. I said, come. Stephanie said, Mom, remember that we're going to go away the Tuesday. I buy a ticket for all of them to go on a family vacation. She said, Mom, I can't come. I can't come because I have goods to make. I don't refer Stephanie as a Medikk dancer. I refer Stephanie as a businesswoman. I don't grow up into the dancer. I understand that is what she wants, but I don't refer to her as Medikk. She's Stephanie Williams.
Which was the 24th. She was in the bank and she was talking to me, and I was on another call. We spoke briefly, probably about 10-11 minutes, and then I told her that I would call her back, but we'll probably send messages like we normally do in between time. And she texted me that day and she said, "Friend, I have something to tell you." And I text her back and I said, "I can't wait to hear." I did not talk to her at all after 10 in the morning, and the last message she sent me was 3 o'clock. That was the last time I sent her something and she responded.
Now, people, there you have it. That's the mom of Medikk pleading with the public for some answers. People pleading to her close friends who knows Medikk's whereabouts. People trying to get some answers. What happened that day of the video shoot, people. Now, it is said to be that Medikk was mixed up with a person from prison called White Knight, people, as popular social media personnel Sir P disclosed on his program, People Politics Watch. Now, that show, people, as I said, always comes up with credible information, people, and when someone is gone for so long, they normally turned up dead, people. I'm not trying to let the family feel away, people, but it has been some time now. If she was alive, she would have come back home by now, you understand? If people wanted ransom, they would have reached out to the family and asked for money. So I guess this is some personal issue, people, and they wanted to fix it with Medikk. I don't know if she was cheating on the person from prison, people, but evidence was also shown that this man got rid of Medikk previous manager, people. Now, people, the mom can't come to the realization to know that her daughter was even mixed up with someone from prison, because it was alleged that she thought it was someone from America, people, because she's always on the phone, she's always stepping aside. It's just a sad situation, people. And I'm definitely pleading out to the abductors, people. If Medikk is still alive, bring her back, you know, let she come back home, you know, understand? If she's dead, let the people get the body, that them can have a proper funeral and get some closure, you understand? Now, in today's episode, Earthling's popular social media personnel, Mr. G British, speaks his mind on a current situation in dancehall, people. He definitely shares some important points. Check out this clip.
Me, Mr. G British, I represent for Dancehall Bam without no apology. Call it controversy. I understand what I say Fire 45 without no apology. Remember, you know, Aidonia say my money, you know, and go buy one big black ugly Jeep when not even make no sense at all. And say I latest thing in Jamaica, and not a one Ferrari, and not even one Bentley, and one Rolls Royce. So you see, say Aidonia in a fully reverse. Him on 450 and Vanessa bling up on show. And the whole life show cancel in America. And none of Alkaline show them no cancel. And look on it now, you know. And the brother, you know, Alkaline buy one jacket, you know. The world know what type of jacket me attack already without no apology. And guess how much of the jacket, no? 6,000 US without no apology. So Alkaline are the man, you know. Remember, we never trick ourselves in front of ourselves, you know. With no apology. Who want vex, make them vex, man. This is a controversy in here. Me hear what I say? Yeah, man, I don't say my man I need a fully reverse. The whole line show cancer and make no money. The only man make money out of that are Alkaline with no apology. Me, Mr. G British, say that, man. Publicly. And you can go do no research and see. Because remember, we not tell lie, no. And him a who? Him a who? The world know, man.
Now, people, that's Mr. G British speaking his mind, people. As you can see him there comparing Aidonia's anonymous Jeep to Alkaline's $6,550 US jacket, people. And it's definitely a nice jacket, people. It's a Louis Vuitton jacket, people. I'll definitely like one like that for my birthday, but however, I can't afford it. But people, it seems as if Alkaline is the new sensation. What he does is definitely trendy at the moment. So what Mr. J British is trying to say, Aidonia, you can't be the man because you buy a expensive Jeep and Alkaline just buy a small 6,500 jacket and it's trending more than your Jeep, while your shows are cancelled in America, while Alkalines are fully confirmed. You cannot be the man in dancehall because these things are happening for the man himself and you are not getting the chance to even perform. You understand? So if you're the man, you have to depend on bookings. You show them can't cancel and you run dancehall. You understand? So you have to stop trick yourself. You have to stop living a dream, as what Mr. J British should have said. If I accept the little publicity where you get already and the little performance time where you do get on some shows, when you do get a booking, you understand? Don't try come now boy you're a giant in a dancehall because you're lazy bad too in Aidonia. Whether you just start get up since your son passed away and start feel motivated. I hope you just keep it up still. And remember, you're a talented artist, man. Bash your career is just a speech where you make, you understand? Now people, in today's episode you also have a BB.Coke student, a male who was severely beaten unconsciously just for stepping on another student's Clark's people, and definitely that's a shoe people that is popular in Jamaica, which is worn to school by students island-wide. That's Clark's people. Everybody love them Clark shoes, but yo, when life I come to people, they go beat somebody, almost kill them over shoes. I have an article here, people, I'm gonna read, but I definitely have a video here that I'm gonna show you first, people. Check it out.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang!
People, that's the St. Elizabeth, Jamaica grade 8 student of BB.Coke High School being carried away to the hospital, people, and he is definitely hospitalized after beaten for allegedly stepping on a grade 11 Clark shoes at the Junction Base Institution in St. Elizabeth on Thursday. Preliminary reports are that shortly after the dismissal of classes, the two boys were among students collecting their phones when the older boy accused the younger boy of stepping on his Clark shoes. The grade 11 student allegedly assaulted the grade 8 student by punching and beating him on his hands and face. The grade 8 student was taken to the hospital for treatment. A video of the incident has gone viral on social media. Now people, it has been brought to Dancehall Bomb's awareness that the grade 11 student has been taken into custody following the beatdown of the second former at BB.Coke High School, people. Now people, this is definitely painful to the heart, people. You could see the child there hospitalized, showing that he needs some brain surgery scan, people. They are appealing to the public, people, the family, through the Gleaner, people, asking for cash to assist. Now people, you could definitely see that human being has no regards for another human being life. Not even this young man doesn't understand love. What kind of trauma could he be experiencing to take out such trauma on a second former that's really a younger youth for you? That could be your little brother you beat up that way there. Come on, man. And people, you could see his face there flickering through the screens as well as mugshot. I don't know if he's gonna get some time for this, but he needs some serious punishment, people. I think he's of the age probably 17. We didn't get his name correctly, but he's definitely in custody, people, and this is definitely a devastating act, people. I think that student should be severely punished, people. He should definitely get some time to reflect on his actions, you know, some hard labor. Now people, I have a clip here of Popcorn, people, but I really don't understand, people. Want somebody leave in the comment section what this melon thing really mean, people. Now check out this clip, people, and I definitely want you leave the answer in the comment section for me, people. Honestly, this melon thing, I don't know what I'm going with it. I see people are dash it on the ground. I see woman use it as reference to man. I see people are going to studio. What is this melon thing all about, people? Check out this clip.
Outside with them, not for them inside. Hang! Dancehall bomb, pussy clot to them. Them even bad like the slippers where we use go shitting in the bathroom with. I we say dancehall bomb. Hang! Outside.
Yo, you see this? You know it, boy. Yo, you see this?
Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.